everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a project in Claude AI. So you can go to Claude AI website or use the app version. And if you're not logged in yet, let's log in. So click on Get Started. So you can continue with Google or enter your email in here. So I'll click Continue with Google. So choose an account. So I'll just click my account right here and just click on Continue. And you'll be taken to Claude's main dashboard. Now, once you're here, just tap on Continue. Now, at the left sidebar, click Projects. And in here, browse your list and select the project you want to remove. For example, this one, AI. So hover over the project name and click the three dot next to it. So this will open additional options. So you have pin, edit details, archive, or delete. So we're gonna click on delete. So keep in mind that deleting a project is permanent and cannot be undone. So if you've decided, just click on delete and click on the delete option again to confirm the action. And as you can see, the project has been deleted. You can also click on the project to open it. Then right here at the three dots, click on that and go to the delete option, confirm the action, and that's it. That's how you can delete your project. So your project will be removed right away. So again, click on the three dots and click on delete. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.